Nakahunta ang veteranong aktor o komedyante nga matagabi milingaw kanatong tanan sa rom-com series nga Oh My Love. We have this morning Mr. Leo Martinez. Maayong buntag, Sir Leo. Welcome to GMA.
Oh, good morning, good morning. Good morning, thank you.
Kumusta po yung morning nyo, Sir Leo?
Well, my mornings are always the same. I start out with prayers and exercise, and then have my coffee, and then my vitamins, and that's it. And then go to work.
Wow, ang galing naman. Kaya naman pala, healthy na healthy kayo, Sir Leo.
Thank you.
Sir, kapag Pinoy comedy po talaga, isa po talaga kayo sa mga paboritong komedyante naming lahat. How do you feel na marami kayong natutulungan at napapasayang mga tao?
Well, siyempre, fulfillment ang nararamdaman ko dahil kasi yan naman talaga ang trabaho ko, yan ang buhay ko, yan ang calling ko. So, wala naman akong ginagawa kundi itong pag-perform sa TV, sa movies, and theater paminsan-minsan.
How do you keep the positive vibes and the good vibes within you, Sir Leo, despite this pandemic and of course even the other struggles that you had to face?
Well, yung mga dapat ang inaano ko lagi kasi positive vibes ang lagi kong iniisip yung positive.
Ano po yung gusto nyong ibahagi na salawikain sa amin ngayong umaga?
Well, ang salawikain na gusto ko lagi na sinusunod ko is I have learned in whatever state I am to be content.
And going back po, kasi on-cam, Sir Leo, ang dami nyo na pong nagampanan ng mga roles. Pero off-cam, sino po ba si Leo Martinez?
Wala, simpleng tao lang. I believe I teach a workshop called No Acting Please. So for actors. So you just so that you have to express in that workshop what I teach, or which I learned from Eric Morris, is you have to express everything that you feel. Kasi yung mga unexpressed feelings mo, nagiging toxin sa katawan. Yan ang nagiging sanhi ng mga sakit, cancer, yung sa puso, yung high blood pressure.
And kapag walang taping o trabaho, Sir Leo, what are the things that you enjoy the most doing? Lalo na ngayon, nasa bahay.
Well, we have a routine when after everything we watch Netflix together, or going to shoot some baskets, or play some cards, or just eating. Walang masyadong nagagawa. So all the things that you can do together.
And of course, ngayon, Sir Leo, kunwari po
Yes.
nasa workshop tayo at ikaw yung mentor namin, ano po ba yung dapat gawin ng isang aktor for him or her to be the character that he needs to portray?
Kung gusto mo maging artista, you have to learn your craft. Kailangan mag-enroll ka, mag-enroll ka sa isang klase which will tell you kung paano gawin yon. Ang pinaka-simple, 3 letters lang sa salitang English, pero pinaka-complicated. Kailangan alam mo ang gagawin mo, you must know a how. Pag tinanong mo, how do you do it? Kung wala kang sagot doon, mag-aral ka muna para meron kang how.
Ayan, thank you for your advice, Sir Leo, para sa mga gustong mag-artista na mga viewers natin dyan. This time naman po, pag-usapan natin ang Oh My Love bilang ikaw yung tumatayong tatay ng mga kasamahan mo dyan sa Oh My Love. What's the most important lesson that you learn in showbiz na gusto mong i-impart din sa mga newbie comedians?
Ayun, yun lang. The same, no acting please. That's for workshop and for life. Kung masaya ka, i-express mo masaya. Kung nalulungkot ka, i-express mo. Huwag kang mag-acting na kailangan kong malungkot dito dahil i-acting ko na lang pero talaga namang nasasaya. So you have to settle that personally. Kanya nga, you must be able to live with yourself.
Sir Leo, we're so happy po sa dala niyong positive vibes gabi-gabi dito sa Oh My Love. Ano-ano pa po yung mga aabangan namin sa series na ito?
Well, yung character ko, I'm happy with my character because I think at least ngayon meron senior citizen I'm portraying a senior citizen. So it's about time that we recognize our senior citizens, what their problems are, what the possible problems are.
And thank you for sharing that advocacy, Sir Leo. Kaya naman po, imbitahan niyo po ang lahat na continue watching Oh My Love gabi-gabi.
Okay, mga kasama, mga kaibigan, sana ipagpatuloy niyong panoorin ang Oh My Love every night po, Monday to Friday sa Channel 7. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa mga payo niyo sa amin this morning, Sir Leo.
Thank you din. Good morning to all of you.